just did an oil change on our Ford Focus 2015. I did it already, but on here it'll tell you that you need to change your oil. But to reset it, and I'll do it over again, put your foot on the gas pedal all the way down and put your foot on the brake and see what it does. Service oil reset in progress. Keep holding it down. It'll reset itself and it'll go back to 0. And there you go. It's all reset, ready to go for your next, how many kilometers to your next oil change. Hope you like that. Hopefully it helped you to reset your oil. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on our next project.